Alright, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to put this iRoomy sofa, bed, chair together. It's actually a chair and it does unfold to a bed. Let me show you real quick on how this unfolds into a bed. And right here on the screen, I'll have a time to where I start to show you how to put it together. If you're just watching this video because you want to see if you want this chair, let me unfold it for you. Another thing too, if you do end up watching this to put this together, they give you quite a few extra screws, so don't worry if you actually lose one or two, or if you're wondering why you have a bunch left. This pulls out like this. You can pull this cushion out like that, pull this cushion out like that, like that. And then behind this piece right here, there's a leg that you snap out, and then that goes down into, now you can take a nap. Just like this. Nice little bed. Get comfy, people. Alright, cool. This up here, like this, slide this in. All the way in. Like that. This goes up. If you fold the leg down and back, there's a button you gotta push in, and that folds up. Oops, like that. Pretty cool little chair if you have like a little man cave or something. That's what I'm using this thing for, my man cave. Continue watching if you want to know how to put this together. Alright, this is going to be all your parts right here. Just take everything out of the box. Don't take any of your bolts and screws out of the package here though, because they are labeled so we know where to put all them screws at. Then you got your directions if you want to follow along, but I'm going to show you exactly how to put this together. This should be really, really simple. Take everything out, take it out of the bags. Just watch, there are letters on them. Right here I have a B and A on this one, and then some of the bags are like, you can take some out of the bags because there's a letter E right there. So we're gonna lay that there. So now I'm gonna spread all these out so I know where all my parts are at. You don't even need any tools. It does come with its own little tool if you want. I grabbed some power tools just to make it a little faster, but you don't have to. It does come with a tool. So step one is, well, first we got to take all this comes off. Yeah, you got to unwrap all this stuff. It's just there to protect it. Let's cut that. Make it a little easier. Just keep rolling it up in a little ball. Makes it easier to unwrap. It's really not that hard. Probably a good idea to have that wrapped up. Protects everything. I'm gonna unwrap this one. Oh, this is A. Like that. Alright, we need 2 of these screws right here. They're labeled M. Alright, since I don't want to lose any of these parts, I just labeled the back side of this NMQ. I put a P there, and I think that was L. Yeah, that really didn't need a label because it's just a bracket. And then O by these screws right here. So now I can open these kind of up as long as I don't rip my letter off. Alright, we're going to attach this leg, which is leg F. There's a little letter right there in the end with 4 screws on their letter M. They're going to go in them 4 holes. 2 holes here and 2 holes when it's like opened up or shut, I guess it would be. So put them in these 2 holes just a little bit. Then put them in those 2 holes just a little bit, like hand tight. Or if you have to use that tool, put them in just a little bit. Once you get all 4 in there, like a couple turns, then tighten them down. Oh, that's a Phillips. I'm not going hard at all, or either that, or just put them in by hand a little bit. But open this up. So these 2 go on this side. I'm actually going to check it, I think, with the tool it came with. See how tight I got it. Yep, just a little bit more. Okay, let's open this up like that. Now this is letter E, and then there's another one just like that. It is letter D. That's what we're putting on right now, is the letter D. I guess they're calling this your armrest. So that is going to go on this side over here, right here, like that. We need 4 letter P's and 4 letter Q's. So the Q's are just the washers. 2, 3. So letter P are the longest ones that you have, just in case you tore yours apart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So real easy. It's going to go on there like that. And you can see the 4 holes here and the 4 holes through the frame. So we're just going to hook them on there. Put a washer on every one of them. That will be your Allen tool. Just get them all hand tightened before you tighten them up. It actually goes in pretty easy, just as long as you hand tighten all them first and then tighten them up. You don't want to tighten one up because then it would be hard to get the other 3 in. There we go. Now we can tighten them up. All right, I got all 4 of them like hand tight, then I started to tighten them, and I just kind of pushed down on this till they hit the bottom of the holes they're in. That way I can push down on this arm and they'll be exactly lined up, hopefully. I'm gonna have to use my tool for this one. I'm building this for my man cave. I don't know if any of you guys out there that might be watching this video have been watching my man cave build, but this is gonna go in my man cave. Just snug them up, don't go too crazy tight. You're just putting a chair together. It's not a car going down the road 80 miles an hour, just a chair, people. Unless you plan on hooking this to the back of your car and pulling somebody down the road in it, then maybe put them on tighter. But I don't think it's made for that. Now you gotta do the same with the other one. Letter E, get 4 of them long bolts, 4 washers, and tighten this one up. 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, the next step is letter C, which is this piece here. There's 2 little wheels on it. And G, it looks like this. If yours has a letter A on it like mine, that's wrong. This is letter G. I already have a letter A. And it attaches onto the side with the wheels right here. Wheel there, wheel there. And then we need 1 letter N screw, which I haven't used any of them. So we need 1 of them and 2 letter O's. These ones, which are pretty, they're like the medium sized ones. 1 letter N, 2 letter O's. This goes on here like this. Actually, you can put this down like that. You can throw this up here like this. That'll be easier. The shorter one goes in the center right here. And then the long ones go on the side. Just hand tighten all them till you get them started a little, then tighten them up. Don't ever tighten one and then try to get the other ones. It will be a pain in the butt. See, I got this one. Yeah, I don't want to go too tight though. Should be out there. There we go. Took a second to get them long ones lined up, but they do line up. Okay, there's this one here. Okay. All right, now you got to take that piece you just put together, and you got to take the other one that has wheels on it. We're going to put that one on there first, like that, right? Then you put this one right on top of that one, just like this, okay? So it all lays together, so it can open. And then you're going to get 4 of the letter N screws. They're kind of short. Then you got to get them 2 little brackets, and they're going to go right here. Start them by hand. Anything you can try to start by hand, I recommend starting by hand. It's a bad day if you strip one out. It's really easy to start most of them by hand though. Just like that. I'm going to check them with my tool that came with it. So I don't want to strip them out. Now, I think we have a bunch of parts left over. I think we just got to lay all the cushions on here now. How does that stay up there? Oh, there you go. There, it locks into place. Now we got to open all these up. All right, got to open this pillow up. Careful not to cut it. Oh, there's a couple pillows in here. Okay. Fluff these up. Oh yeah, there we go. These are pillows. Huh, that's crazy. And just give these a couple hours and they'll definitely puff up real good. These ones here are hooked together. So they're gonna lay right there like that, I think. And there's one single one by itself. It's exciting. Let's push this in like that. That goes under it. And you put this one in. And you got one here. You got letter L. There we go. I think I got it. There we go. Not too shabby. All right, now if you want to open this up to take a little nap, you just move your pillow, pull on the back, and then it lays flat down. Make sure you open up that leg in the back. Remember the leg you had? Make sure you open this leg up, lay that down, and pull this out. Look at that. That's freaking cool. Lay that in like this. I guess this goes down here at the end for your pillow. And you got another pillow. There you go. Take a nap. Yep, that'll work. You can nap. All right. There we go. That's pretty slick. That's cool. I like it. All right, and you want to go back up into a chair. Pick this up, put this under here, push this in, like that. You can leave this back further if you want to recline, or you can click it up one. Oh, there's a button. You got to push in that button to shut that leg. So you can recline if you want a little, however you want. Yep. Yeah, so I could fall asleep almost like this. There you go. All right, well, that's the end of this video. I hope this helped you put your iRoomy sofa bed chair together. If this video helped you out, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless, and stay awesome, people. And if you're just watching this to see what chair that was, I will have this chair down in my description and in my first comment.